Hi children, lesson number 2, land and water on our earth. In this lesson, we are going to know about the globes, maps, direction, continents, ocean and landforms. Name for direction. So which are the direction children? North, south, east, west. So here girl is standing. Where is the girl is standing? The girl is standing towards the sun rises. The sun rises in east. The sun rises in east. E-A-S-T, east. So here west. W-E-S-T, west. So here north. N-O-R-T-H, north. Here south. S-O-U-T-H. So which are the four main directions children? North, south, east, west. We feel that the earth is very large. Yes children, you will feel earth is very large. Yes, it is indeed very large. It has enough space for trillions of living things live on it. But in the universe, it is quite small. Look at this picture showing the earth and some of its neighbors, comparing their size. Yes children, you feel that the earth is very large. Yes or no? Yes, you will feel it is very large. So it has enough space for living things on it. But in the universe it is quite small. But in the universe it is very quite small children. Look at this picture. It's showing the earth and its neighbors. Where is the earth? The earth is here. It is the home planet. It is the home planet. Where we will live children? We live in the earth. It is third planet from the solar system. So than the earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are big in size. You are thinking no, earth is very big, very large. Than the earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune is very large in size. Look at this ball. Since the earth is sphere, a globe represents it's the best. It shows the earth as it is actually looks when seen from the outer space, but we cannot see the whole earth from one direction because of feet on the other side. So look at this ball children. It is a globe. It is a model of a globe. It shows the earth as it is actually when see from the outer space. When you will go to the space from there you will see means the earth will look like this, but we can't see the whole earth from one direction because half of it is on the other direction. A map is a drawing on a flat surface. If we draw the two halves of a globe in the form of a map, we get a world map and it enables us to see the whole world. As children, the earth is which shape? It's a sphere shape, no children? It's round like a orange. Yes. A map is a drawing. So children, it is a map. It's a drawing on a flat surface. If we draw the map on the map is a drawing on the flat surface. If we draw the two halves on the globes in the form of a map, we get the world map and enables to see the whole world. So through the map we can see the whole world. Both the maps and the globes are drawings at the great reduced size of the world. So both the maps and the globes are the drawings are reduce the size of the world. In the map also, in the globe also we can see the world. In maps are more convenient because they can be hung on the wall. So maps are so convenient because we can fold, we can roll it. A book of maps is called an atlas. So there is so much maps in one book, no children, that is known as atlas. Here map is divided into two halves. The if we will draw the maps in the two halves of the globes, it form a map and we get the world map. From this world map we can see the whole earth.